Starting around 31 walk 2024 Nexo basically is exchanging at $1.33 in term of its OST rate with a value change of zone 45% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a quite large manner. Nexo truly has a sort of complete market cap of $743 or 59,201 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $5 or 48,168, which really is genuinely critical. This sort of makes Nexo most certainly positioning at 124 in the digital currency market in a sort of significant manner. In the event that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what truly is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo sort of be really worth in 2024, or so they basically thought? Is Nexo a genuinely wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, which really is very huge? Will Nexo cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, or so they in every practical sense thought? These truly are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future in an unobtrusive manner. Nexo value expectation 2024 as per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Nexo cost generally is supposed to in a real sense cross a truly normal value level of $0.77. The normal kind of least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the fundamentally current year ought to generally be $0.71, or so they basically thought. Besides, Nexo can arrive at a sort of greatest value level of $2.05. Nexo value expectation walk 2024. The cost of Nexo certainly is explicitly anticipated to really reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.25 in walk 2024, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost could explicitly arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $1.42 with the very normal exchanging worth of $1.39 all through 2024 in every practical sense. Further appearance how by and large is Nexo in all things considered, wise speculation or fundamentally worth purchasing in 2024, which sort of is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation April 2024. The cost for Nexo in April 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $1.35 and $1.48 in a huge manner, while the especially normal exchanging cost ought to be around $1.41, which for the most part is genuinely huge. Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Nexo truly is for the most part anticipated to truly reach at a really least worth of $1.40 in May 2024, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost could arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $1.54 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.47 all through 2024. Nexo value estimate June 2024. The Nexo cost for June 2024 may for the most part arrive at a by and large least worth of $1.48, while the truly greatest determined cost explicitly is around $1.61, which truly shows that Nexo value conjecture June 2024. The Nexo cost for June 2024 may in a real sense arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $0.48, while the by and large greatest cost is around $0.61 in a for the most part huge manner. The really normal cost for Nexo basically is somewhat anticipated to for the most part reach $1.53 in June 2024. Nexo value conjecture July 2024. In July 2024 the cost of Nexo generally is supposed to really be at around a genuinely least of $1.49 in an exceptionally enormous manner. Nexo cost can in every practical sense arrive at a genuinely limit of $1.67 with a kind of typical cost of $1.56 in IC, which truly is very huge. Nexo value conjecture August 2024. The Nexo figure for August 2024 expects that the Nexo may essentially arrive at a sort of most extreme worth of $1.73 within an every practical sense, least cost of around $1.55 in a genuinely enormous manner. Discussing the sort of typical value Nexo can really stretch around $1.61 for August, which is genuinely critical. Nexo value expectation September 2024. Nexo cost explicitly is supposed to really reach between $1.58 to $1.81 in September 2024, while the kind of typical cost of Nexo for the September for the most part remains around $1.64. Nexo value expectation October 2024. The cost for Nexo in October 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $1.64 and $0.90, which certainly is genuinely critical, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to essentially be around $0.70 in a very enormous manner. Nexo value conjecture November 2024. In November 2024, The truly greatest cost for Nexo could, in every practical sense, stretch around 1.96 in a for the most part significant manner. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in November 2024 basically is $1.67 with a typical cost of $0.74 in a kind of significant manner. Nexo value forecast December 2024. The cost of Nexo in a real sense is by and large anticipated to truly reach at a very least worth of $0.71 in December 2024, which really is very huge. The Nexo cost could by and large arrive at an especially greatest worth of $2.05 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $0.77 all through 2024 in a significant manner. Nexo by and large past value examination in the fundamentally beyond 24 hours, the crypto most, certainly has been in a real sense diminished by 0.63% in its truly current worth, showing that assuming you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what basically is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Nexo essentially be especially worth in 2024 in an especially enormous manner? Assuming we for the most part look at the in every practical sense current market cap of the Nexo with yesterday's, you can explicitly see that the market cap in a real sense is likewise down, showing how Nexo value gauged November 2024. In November 2024, the really greatest cost for Nexo could in every practical sense stretch around 1.96, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Nexo really is confronting a genuinely difficult time jumping aboard with sort of other crypto coins. The Nexo explicitly is down to nearly 1.4% in the truly most recent 7 days, which sort of is very critical. The coin generally is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for past truly couple of days. The coin could truly have serious areas of strength for genuinely at the same time. We don't especially imagine that it would a productive resource in certainly present moment in opposition to mainstream thinking. Nexo value estimate 2024 facts. What will in a real sense be Nexo kind of worth in 2024, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. The Nexo cost especially is gauged to in every practical sense arrive at a fundamentally greatest degree of $2.05 with genuinely least cost of $0.71 toward the finish of 2024, so Nexo value expectation May 2024. The cost of Nexo basically is especially anticipated to for the most part reach at a truly least worth of $0.40 in May 2024, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Does Nexo in a real sense have a future in a really significant manner? As far as value, Nexo basically has an exceptional genuinely potential to basically arrive at new levels. For the most part, further appearance how this sort of makes Nexo in every way that really matters, positioning at 124 in the digital money market, or so they truly thought. It fundamentally is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem in an unpretentious way. As per in every way that really matters, explicit specialists and business experts, Nexo can explicitly raise a ruckus around town of the greatest cost of $68